Delhi-Ahmedabad Metro will be India's second high-speed rail line connecting our capital city Delhi with Ahmedabad. It is also known as a bullet train as it moves with a maximum speed of 350 km per hour. A total of 15 stations are proposed from Delhi to Ahmedabad. It will pass through 4 states, namely Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Apart from Dwaraka and the 2 Haryana stops of the 15 stations, 9 are in Rajasthan and 3 are in Gujarat. The Indian government has tied up with Japan government for the construction of Delhi-Ahmedabad and Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail projects. National High-Speed Rail Corporation Limited has adopted Japan's E5 Shinkansen technology for these projects, which is already discussed in our SOXY video. The new E5 series trains are designed to be more comfortable and faster than ever before. Yoshihide Suga, the former Prime Minister of Japan, and Narendra Modi reaffirmed their commitment to advance efforts to facilitate the timely implementation of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad and Delhi-Ahmedabad high-speed rail projects after the meeting which is held on September 2021. The railway line alignment was chosen to run along with Gurugram-Jaipur railway line and parallel to NH48 in order to reduce the burden of land acquisition. At present, it takes about 14 hours by train to travel from Delhi to Ahmedabad. Once the project is completed, people will be able to complete their journey within 4 hours. The survey work is being carried out by the NHSRCL, after which the detailed project report (DPR) will be prepared and sent to the Ministry of Railways. It would take up to 3 to 4 years to acquire the land, shift utilities, get several clearances and cut trees and to complete other works. It would then take another 3 years to complete construction. This project will generate adequate opportunities for the local people. The preliminary work like road widening, soil tests has started. This project will be completed by 2031.